Hi, I'm Jenille with StickerMama and welcome to my channel. I'm a wife, a mother, a planner, an organizer, and an EC lover. So let's get started. Hi there and welcome to my plan with me for July 10th, Monday. So let's get started. I'm going to pull out and show you real quick my 2-page kit that I'm going to be using. I just got these listed in the shop. More will come, but I was trying to finalize how I wanted the horizontal. This is my first year in the A5 horizontal. Last year I did the compact vertical, and year before that was the A5 daily. So second week, we're going to keep trying to figure this layout out, but I do think I like this one over the compact vertical, but we'll see. Sometimes I get excited just because it's new, but we'll see how things play out here. All right, and I just got these handy dandy tweezers, which I absolutely love on Amazon. I'll link them below if anyone is interested and haven't got theirs yet. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and just pull the dates off of here and add them onto the days. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and pull these bottom washies off, the larger washies. That'll cover up at the top. Now these are sized just to go from where the lines are, so from here to here. You can go all the way over to the edge of the page if you wanted, and then cut the washi so that you could see July 2023. So last week I went like this, and then I kind of did a diagonal cut so that the date or the month and year would show. But this week I'm going to go ahead and just cover it all up. I mean, I know we're in July. So it's always, preference, but I'm just showing you different options you could do if you were interested in this kit. Then I'm going to take these mini guys and we're just going to go ahead and place them on all 6 of these lines. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and white out this bottom calendar box. I am not for this box. What about you guys? I don't need a calendar on my weekly layouts or daily for that matter, but definitely don't need it. So are you for these or against the calendars on every weekly spread? I'm guessing EC still gets enough people that are wanting it because it keeps showing up. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put this full box on the bottom here. You can line it all the way up to the edge of the box if you, or edge of the page if you wanted, like this, but I'm going to go ahead and line it up to the mini washi here. I'm going to go ahead and put that here, and then I'm going to put my vertical weekend banner along the side right here. And I'm going to go ahead and lay out these other 2 full-size boxes. Space them out here on this kit. So let's see, I'll probably do this one up on Monday. And again, lining it up to the edge of the other 2 washi strips. Oh, that's a little lower. Okay, so these boxes with the washi, mini washis down, they're just a tad bit, but that's okay. These are removable stickers, so we're going to go ahead and just line it up to the washi. So this part, the washi will be covered up, but I'm okay with that. I'm liking how it looks there. All right, grab this last one. Oh, got a little circle dot. Put that back on. And I'm going to apologize right now. I'm just noticing that my lighting and focusing is going in and out, which is pretty annoying now that I see it, but I've already started, so we're just going to go with it this time. All right, these little half boxes, I mean, you can go all the way down, all the way up, in the middle. So I think I'm going to do a little bit of both here. This one I'm going to go ahead and line up to the top. And that way I have room on the bottom. The next one, maybe I'll go to the bottom. And again, you can go all the way down to the bottom of the page, gives you a little bit more room on Thursday's day. And this one, actually, I think I'm going to go on the bottom since it's the same design there. All right, so we have those done. Now I'm going to go ahead and put down these meal planning stickers. Alright, so I'm just going to get all these. Oh, it's so annoying. I'm so sorry about this lighting situation. Alright, now I'm going to just go ahead and throw these stickers down based on what I have going on for the week. Alright, so here we go. This is a pretty good layout. I'm going to go ahead and write in what I know so far as what I have going on. And then we'll be done. How far in advance do you guys pre-plan? I'm pretty much a week at a time girl, but I feel like I wish I would at least put down some of my kits beforehand and then have those planned in advance. But other than that, I'm pretty much a 1 week at a time. All right, well, there we go. Thanks for watching. See you next time.